What is VQ Vendor Questionnaire in pharmaceutical companies? Why it is important for every user of raw materials? Hi everybody, in this video we will try to understand Vendor Questionnaire, VQ. In the context of pharmaceutical companies, a Vendor Questionnaire, VQ, is a detailed set of questions and inquiries sent to potential or existing suppliers of raw materials. This questionnaire helps pharmaceutical companies assess and evaluate the suitability of a vendor before entering into a business relationship. It is essential for every user of raw materials in the pharmaceutical industry because quality assurance. VQs help ensure that raw materials meet the necessary quality standards. This is critical in pharmaceuticals where even slight variations can affect the efficacy and safety of the final product. Regulatory compliance. Regulatory bodies like the FDA have strict guidelines. Ensuring that suppliers meet these standards is vital to maintain compliance and avoid legal issues. Consistency. Reliable suppliers guarantee consistent quality over time, which is crucial for maintaining the consistency of the pharmaceutical products. Risk management. By evaluating vendors through questionnaires, pharmaceutical companies can identify and mitigate potential risks associated with raw material supplies. Traceability. VQs often inquire about the traceability of materials, helping companies track the source of their raw materials. This is crucial for identifying the origin of any issues that might arise. Cost efficiency. By ensuring the quality and reliability of raw material suppliers, companies can reduce the costs associated with defects, recalls, or legal complications. In summary, the vendor questionnaire is a proactive measure that helps pharmaceutical companies maintain the highest standards in their products, ensuring both the safety of the consumers and the integrity of the company.